What have been your wins, Mike? I'm going to come to you next, Don, for your wins, and I'm going to go around the room as well.
Yeah, the biggest win, I guess, so far this week is I had an offer confirmed at a level higher than the role we initially recruited for, which is being negotiated. It's quite a complex negotiation going on at the moment because of various different things. But the guy is sold on the company is sold on the guy, and it's, yeah, they've been very pleased with the job that we've done. And during the course of this process, because there's been so many people involved in the interview process, what it's done is given me a lot more exposure to different people at senior level across what is one of the world's largest businesses in their particular field, and feedback for all of the candidates has been good, but the one that they've decided to run with has been, without a shadow of a doubt, like spot on. So it's opened up a lot of doors, which is really good. So that's been good.
Fantastic. So 2 questions. Actually, 1 question. What's that worth in terms of placement fee?
The final stage,
or total? Yeah, the total.
Well, I was working it out yesterday. It's going to be in total about 117,000 euros.
Wowza.
As a fee. The final stage will be significantly bigger than the first 2, because the fees that were agreed were on total compensation. So we'll be, our basic salary is going to be higher than we expected it. There's a sign-on bonus, 45,000 euros, and 30% bonus, which we can take into the calculation as well.
Wow, nice one. Absolutely fantastic. Well done, Mike. So again, what's 117 euro? What's that sterling?
It's about 100K, it's about 100K sterling, give or take.
100K, yeah. So that's about 120,000 US.
Something around those lines.
Yeah. I think the term is that'll do nicely, Mike. Well done, buddy.